Okay, let's get into today's bias. So we hit this monthly gap yesterday, which is also like a daily gap. And so we are seeing a small rejection higher. We hit this 4-hour gap on ES, so we have an SMT with it, also previous day high as well, which we took on ES. And so today being an FOMC AM session, I'm not expecting much expansion, more so rangy conditions. We are technically delivering from sell side, disrespecting bearish, respecting bullish. But again, I'm not expecting any delivery or expansion out of this 1-hour gap here, which has also already been mitigated. So I'm more so expecting rangy conditions, and which is also fine to play, right? And yeah, so now looks like we already hit the 30-minute gap here, but we also have this premium 15-minute here. There's also currently an S&T with this 30-minute gap, and we have London lows in this 1-hour intermediate low below. So maybe we could open low, take this out, and then get some longs back into the range, or vice versa, open high, remanipulate this high, hit the 15-minute gap, and see some shorts to the 1-hour intermediate low. That's kind of my bias, what I'm looking at going into the session, and we're about to open, so let's see what we get. Guess we're gonna dump right down. Okay. We hit the 15-minute gap. Very nice.
Order filled.
I'm already in shorts there. That was quick. Just going for a 1-to-1 because we have the S&T there. We have a clear target. I'm just gonna aim for something like this here. We got strong inversions, CISD, everything basically here. And I'm just gonna go here for ES hit London lows. But we still have sell side below. So when I see us close strong here, that is not the close I wanted to see. So let's see if we can get it on the next push. Just want to see this 1-minute candle close down strong. Yes, and I am gonna go break even here. With this internal low there. Come on, just give us a follow through.
Stop filled.
And I'm out there for break even. That's unfortunate, but I had to go break even here. We hit the internal low. ES already hit London lows. And since I'm expecting kind of rangy conditions, I had to go break even there. SMT here. So this was a pretty clean trade in my opinion. We now hit 930. Did we take the high? 950, 950 equal highs here. Okay, so it looks like we're getting longs here. We had an external S&P at the London lows here, still inside the 1 hour gap. So I guess this would be internal there. So I guess this could have also been a long here. So maybe the internal high up here. Because my bias was leaning bullish, but this short here looked really good because we had the manipulation there. So let's see what we still get in this session. I just didn't react quick enough to this, to the long here, but this looks like it would have played really well. Let's see. So respecting the 30 minutes. We also have an S&T here. We have an S&T at this gap, and this internal high. And what's the 15-minute look like? 5 minutes. Might still be getting shorts here, not too sure. Reswap is high again. We are in FOMC AM conditions, so expecting rangy conditions. So the CISD and IFVG down to, yeah, probably the 1 hour intermediate low play out. This one of it's gonna close there, but probably not a good entry anymore because we're kind of in the middle of the range now. Still have all of these highs tapped into the 5-minute rejection block there, but yeah, I don't want to be taking any shorts or longs or any trades in the middle of the range there. We could still get longs from the low there, so Okay, so right now I would like to see us generate some more liquidity, come down, take this low, and then get some longs. And if that happens, I'll definitely be taking it long. We could pair this with a 945 open low, that would be very nice as well. And we're gonna get that in about a minute. But yeah, this short could have been pretty decent, at least to, I guess, CE of the 1 hour gap for a quick 1.4 R. Out of the 15-minute candle close. Okay, pretty much just wicks on both sides. So range of conditions definitely confirmed, which just means I want to see us break out to one side and then trade basically back into the range. We open into this gap. If it's just a short slower, or just move lower and then longs up to maybe target this high later on, it would be cool. So here we basically just hit this low time frame gap inside this high time frame gap. We have an internal SMT with this high, and then the 945 open high, 30-minute inversion here, and bang. That would have been that. Can we please hit that? Just wicked. We have an internal SMT here. Okay, we wicked it now. Now we can look if we react off this and then get some longs back into the range. This is what I'm looking for. Have the internal SMT here. Took the external draw. Okay, this is not closing. Yeah, key level, 1 hour gap, 1 hour intermediate low. Basically just rangy conditions, playing that. Internal stop on as well. We can get the CISD here.
Order
Yep,
filled.
I'm in there. This is the CISD, basically the end of the range, lower end of the range that I want to see hold. And I'm just gonna target 945 here.
Stop filled.
Okay, that was a loss. Looks like we are just breaking out bearish. All right, there goes one of those. I think this gap at the 5 minute there is also part. This is also like 15 minute intermediate low. So not enough structure yet. Yes, also took a low there. Kind of just 2 minute rejection bar. Failed. That's looking very bearish. But we're also building some more structures, so yes, going lower to previous days lows and previous week low. Inside is 50 minutes. London lows take it's a 30 minute as well. I think the first short was good. Then this long would have been good. This short would have been good. This short would have been good, but this long probably wasn't too good because we had we're essentially trading against the 945 open high. And also this was not low resistance. This was a pretty strong leg lower, and then we were just kind of missing the confirmation there. This 2 minutes, yeah, looks like the play out here. Hit the 5 minute there, and again playing. I don't know. The draws are lower, so this should essentially turn into a 5 minute gap, 5 minute sponsor gap. But are we really gonna deliver lower here? 10 a.m. also opened up. Let's spin in it here.